Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes, learning our lessons and doing the home tasks. So, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the exercise of chapter number 4. Not actually the exercise, but it is a worksheet which I want to give you because we have learned the reading of the chapter, we have done the reading of the chapter, we have done the exercise of the chapter, and this thing is needs more importance to be discussed clearly. So, class 5 A and B, chapter 4, Advanced Features of Word 2013 worksheet. In question number 1, we are going to discuss, let's see here, sentence 1. Question number 1 is who am I? Who am I? You know, it's a part of exercise which we do like riddles. It's just a hint is given and you have to find out the word, right? So I am the text that is printed at the bottom of each page. So what is the text which can be printed at the bottom of each page? That can be the footnote because it gets at the bottom of each page. If I write here footnote, okay. Then the next is I am the default distance between the top of the page and the header. Default distance is 0.5, right? Inches it is, so obviously, so only 0.5 I think it would be enough. The default distance 0.5. So inches का साइन ये भी है, हम ये डाल देते हैं. Part C, I am the text, comment or explanation appearing at the end of the document. At the end of the document, we can have the end note. End note. Part D is I am the keyboard shortcut for inserting footnotes. This you might have to check in your books what is the keyboard shortcut. But as far as I remember, it is CTRL control. CTRL is the short form of control plus Alt plus F sign, right? I think it is. We will check. The last one is I am the text or picture placed behind the document text. Yes, you are right. It is the watermark. We all have gone through this in our chapter and reading. Let's go to the answers. These are the answers which I have given you, right? Make them bigger for your understanding, then I'll make them removed. Part A footer, Part B 0.5 inches, Part C end note, Part D control plus L plus F, right? And watermark, right? So let's send it back to its normal position. Take it. Okay, the next question is jumbled words. Unjumble the letters to form words using the hints given. We just have to find out the correct spelling of the hint given. All those answers were visible, but okay. The part A is footnote. You just have to listen. You just have to count when you are rewriting the word. Kindly make sure that you have used all the letters in the riddle given. Okay. Now this might be note at the bottom of the page is footnote. This tab contains the footnotes group. Footnote groups किस में होता है? References में. References tab. Okay. The next one is special character. Special character आप बाकी और कुछ ना भी पढ़े, just read out special characters, that is symbol in the language of computer. Then comes signed. Although it is already a word, but if we go for the hint, page background is found in this tab. So it will be design tab. Okay. And the text which is printed at the top of each page is header. Don't go for the spellings. Okay. Here don't go for the spellings. First read the hint, then arrange the spellings in your mind and then write header. If you go for the hint first, then you will be easily going to find out what the word is. Okay, answers are here: footnote, references, symbol, design, and header. Got it? So here goes our question number 2. Then comes question number 3. Fill in the blanks with correct words. A dash is a piece of text that is printed at the bottom of the each page. If that is a footnote, I know, you know also. At the document, at the end of the each page, it is footnote, right? Then comes next. The option to insert a header is present in the header footer group on the which tab? What is that tab? Insert tab. What is that tab? Insert tab. Insert tab is the tab which is having the options to insert header and footer. Part C. A dash is the text or picture placed behind the document text. Yes, we all know that is a watermark. Watermark, right? The option to add watermark is present on the design tab. That is present on the design tab. You're able to see the video. Okay, design tab. Design. Okay, a dash is typically used for giving more details about an item in your text. ठीक है? तो typically used explanatory text कहाँ लिखा जाता है? At the end of the page, footnote, right? So there comes our end of the chapter, end of this exercise, and the answers are again here. I can show you. Yes, footer, part B, insert, watermark, design, and footnote. Answers finished. Let's go to our next question. True, false. By default, headers are printed 1.5 inches from top of the page. No, false. That is only 0.5. A footnote or an endnote consists of two linked parts. Yes, it is true. Okay, a footnote appears at the top of the page. Never. It's a footnote. It should be at the bottom of the page. Right? Then comes the page border option is available on the design tab. I think it is right. What do you say? I don't know actually. Let's go for the answers. Yes, it is true. True. The page border option is available on the design tab. Then comes the label the following icons here. So these are two figures which I have sent you for answering. This sign we already know it is the crop sign, right? Right? This sign is the crop sign. We all know when we send our own pictures to our grandma and grandpa, so we crop our pictures more. Crop icon, a crop tool. Okay, this will be the answer. Crop icon or crop tool, both are right, but the word crop is more important. And then comes this tool. This is a shape tool on the insert tab. Then comes the next is the match the column, right? Column A, word art. As I have increased the size of the text, so this has gone to an extent. Okay. तो अभी see तमाशा करना right. So let's see word art. Word art is the text styling feature, right? I'll put a line here. I can put a line here. Insert. I'll go to the insert tab. I'll bring a line here and word art. Word art goes to text styling features. Make the color of the line black. Then comes the text wrap. Text wrap is to start a new line. Yes, another line I will bring. Text wrap is to start a new line. Okay, I'll give it another color, orange, right? Then comes cropping. Cropping means to remove unwanted part of the image, right? So there comes another line which will lead from cropping to the remove unwanted part of the image. इसको हम dark कर देते हैं. Let's go. Drawing object. A shape in Word document. Drawing object. Let's go for another line. Drawing object. Shape in Word document. ठीक है. इसको भी मैं थोड़ा सा कलरफुल और डार्क कर देती हूँ. ग्रीन और डार्क. Okay, then comes Bing image search is online image search tool. Bring a line here, and this Bing image search is the online image search tool. Let's change the color of the purple, right? So these are the answers to our questions which we are doing in the end of this chapter, right? I hope you understood the concept, and for your reference I have given the answers also here. The answers are also given in the exercise book. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.